getting it in place. Crane truck's here. This is a big moment for Ken White Construction and us in our building. I know my dad's super happy. Grandpa, I wish he was around to see our name on this building, on this property, on Carp Road, in his hometown. It's fucking awesome.
But baby, don't you lie. When you're tasting what he's drinking, are you thinking about me? When you're riding where he's driving, are you missing my street? Every time you close your eyes, tell me, who do you see? When you're tasting what he's drinking, are you thinking about me?
The song is everywhere. He's just all huddled around a freaking little ball trying to keep warm, or?
Pretty much.
Next on in here.
Crazy, tell me, baby, are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about? Are you thinking about? When you're tasting what he's drinking, are you thinking about me?
We prepped our base. Now we will drop our IM 1530 infiltrator septic tank in our hole, perfectly level, on grade, so it could start catching the waste material of the human species. Ta-da! Nailed it.
I tightened them, that's why he's having such trouble.
What? It's the sandwich man. He's coming for you, Ruby.
Yeah, I am. Oh, fuck.
Big old skid steer guy. Yeah. Big into the skid steers. Yeah, I'm a big skid steer guy.
You are?
Known to be probably one of the best around.
You want to put all this sand in the septic then and I'll run the shovel?
No. We're out here backfilling on a septic. This was new home build earlier, way out in Pakenham. Throw some sand over, call her a day, come back and topsoil.
When you're tasting what he's drinking, are you thinking about me? When you're riding where he's driving, are you missing my street? Every time you close your eyes, tell me, who do you see? When you're tasting what he's drinking, are you thinking about me?
What are we up to? Right now we are headed into the city, the big old city of Ottawa. We have a project with one of our commercial clients where we're going to be doing a demolition and then excavation for a new building. But the first process of the demolition is capping the services at the road. So that's what we're headed down to go do today. And you'll see the building that we are going to be tearing down. And then on Monday, I believe, they are starting abatement, which is a fancy word for getting rid of asbestos and harmful materials that were used in the olden days when they built houses. That is where we are rolling to right now. We got some guys down there, and it's going to be good. Going in the city. What's up, Ruby? What's up, Zach? I think we need to cut the whole wall off and keep it. Right? Look at that. It's just this layer of stone, right? Take all that off and then piece it back together. Hey, don't be a
Might call this the palace.
Don't be such a man. The palace. Sweet.
$550 for that instead of $1,500 from Matsu.
Awesome. And then we got the new windshield tomorrow going in.
I'm gonna go get it once they start pulling that one out.
We blew the windshield out this year, so we got a new windshield coming. Little backyard deal. And then we got new alternator. And then Mike is what? You're redoing all the fluids on the thing right now?
We're doing a 500-hour service basically. So
500-hour service.
Transmission oil, div oil, engine oil, filters, all the fun stuff.
A lot of oils and filters. Ruby's gimbal's all fucked up.
Tip-top shape.
Tip-top shape, baby. Topsoil season's coming.
Cowboys live forever.
That's what we're starting on. Make sure I don't want to take junk, clear it off, bring it forward, load. Sound good? Yeah. Okay, go over.
In Beverly Hills, straight covered in grease. I'm a lone ass cowboy, sticking my jeans. Drinking PBR, got a couple in me. Won't drive no truck if it's way too clean. Golly, goodness me. For the boot cut boys, it's always green. Come around here, better pay some heat. I'll run with bangs, just hang with thieves.
Can you even see it on this thing? You see the helicopter? That thing's cool. Whoops. Recorded myself doing that. Oh well. I don't think Ruby likes these.
Beverly Hills, straight covered in grease. I'm a lone ass cowboy, sticking my jeans. Drinking PBR, got a couple in me. Won't drive no truck if it's way too clean. Golly, thieves. Got a purebred race, so it's part of my creed. Got 2-6 shoulders on the side of my head. Run up on me if you tired of living.
You think I burnt tires off? I think they're a little fucked. So we're driving down the highway to the next job site, and me and Whoopi were just talking, and we want to do something, and I say we because Whoopi's like, we should do something for 100,000 subscribers, which we're gonna hit. So for 100,000 subscribers, we are going to fly one lucky subscriber out, and you're gonna come work with Ken White Construction for the full week, hang out with me, take you to job sites, run some machinery, make some topsoil, show you around, wine and dine you. All expenses paid, baby. So I think that'd be a cool way to give back. And then carrying on from there, at 500,000 subscribers, we'll bring 5 people out. And then for 1 million, you don't even want to know what we're gonna do for 1 million. We're gonna do something dope. But 100,000 subscribers, make sure you're subscribed. 1 subscriber, flying out. Don't care where you are in the world. You could be in Madagascar. I don't care. I'll get you out here. We'll hang out. We'll have a fun time. So make sure you're subscribed.
Up for 2023. Fucking, what is it? April 13th. We're gonna start screening topsoil here this afternoon. Can't really complain about that. I'm sweating my nuts off though. That's not good.
I work my fingers to the bone till I ain't got nothing left. I earned everything I own, signed my name with blood and sweat. And it goes 1 time if your boots get muddy, 2 times if your truck ain't clean, 3 times if you're just like me. This one's for the home team.
Monday? Feels like it could be a Monday when dump trucks are getting stuff.
It's a Monday flavor Tuesday.
That's how you do that. Not all superheroes wear capes.
Day 2 of being out of regular bread.
It
Amazing.
wraps yesterday, English muffins today.
Yeah. I like the wraps better.
All right, we have an emergency heavy-duty recovery. Komatsu 320, the one that we used at the airport for snow removal, is completely nutted. Got this picture sent to me here. We got our Yankum rope, we got our 450 loader, because it's the biggest thing that we can bring over there. Hopefully we can get this bitch out. Ground's soft this time of year, and it is hard to tell sometimes. Like, you think, oh, that is fucking buried. Oh my God. Oof. Hey, you can't park there. Dang, she's buried.
I guess there's a
I guess it's soft here.
Yeah, maybe I should try to clean this out with the skid steer.
Yeah, I have a hookup point on the back of our loader, so we'll probably hook it up there, and just yank you out this way. No problem. I think it'll come right out.
I don't think so.
Oh, I think it will. Wearing the Carp Airport shirt. What are the odds of wearing the airport shirt?
Maybe I should stop wearing it.
Maybe.
What is this rated for?
Like insane.
Yeah.
Yeah, like very heavy. Go back a little bit further and do that because it moved. I'm gonna unhook. I want you to come here. Fuck, he's stuck. You know what's funny? The first Yankum video I ever posted on Instagram, everyone's like, this was set up. And I'm like, dude, why would I set up pulling out a grader? But at least this one, I think it's pretty obvious that we did not set that up. Hey, don't drive here now, Steve.
Yeah, thanks.
Fucking right. Start a heavy haul business. All right. See you back at the yard.
Thanks, Mike.
Make sure to call for all your heavy tow needs. Okay, that was a good way to wrap up the video. Thank you guys for watching the video. We finally got to use our rope. We finally got to actually have a thumbnail like all the other awesome YouTubers are like, massive recovery of insanely stock loader for our good friends over at the Carp Airport, baby. Lots of fun stuff in this video. Lots of cool merch coming. I am going to go see somebody that you guys like on the videos a lot in 2 weeks in the States. I will be in the state of Michigan in Detroit, baby. Go see my buddy Eminem. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Have an awesome freaking weekend. Bye. But of course, I didn't forget about you guys, the true patrons of the channel that watch the entire video to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those true patrons, I want you guys to comment down below, tug of war. Why are you commenting down below tug of war? Well, we had 2 Komatsus, one 320 and one 450 playing tug of war today at the airport, which was pretty fucking cool to watch. So if you guys watch the entire video to the very end, comment down below tug of war. I appreciate you guys. We'll catch you on the next video. Take care, baby. Woo!